Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to change the brightness of your display on your Windows 11 computer. This is really easy. So let's go on down to the Windows Start button right here and select this. Then go on over to Settings. Now under Settings, let's go to System. Then go on over to Display Monitor Brightness Nightlight Display Profile. Then we can go to Nightlight and turn this on. So if we choose Nightlight, and then here we have a slider for the nightlight. Now, if we bring this all the way to the right, this will make the screen a little bit redder, and this will reduce the blue light emitted from the screen, helping your eyes, and you can fall asleep quicker after using your computer. Now, let's go back. Now, if you go on down to Related Settings and go to Advanced Display right here, you might have an option to change the brightness right here. Now, if you don't, you're going to have to go down to the search bar right here and type in either AMD Catalyst or Nvidia. So if you have an AMD graphics card, type in AMD Catalyst Control Center right here and just see if the application pops up. Now, if you have a Nvidia card, type in Nvidia Control Panel, and here is the application on my computer. When I open up this application, I do have the option to change the brightness for my displays. So go on over to Display, adjust desktop color settings, then choose your monitor on top. Let's choose my monitor right here, then go to brightness, and then we can change the display brightness right here. Then go to apply, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.